Let's see how to use the Uni calculator. On the Uni you have 5 buttons. The first one is for the light. Then you have 3 buttons, red, blue and green, and a reset button. Reset is to reset to 0 the volume which is indicated after a delivery. When the product name and the volume are blinking, then you are in discharge mode. You can start a discharge. The calculator is ready to measure volume. To navigate within all the menu, you have first to press the red button. Then you access to different menus. Metering is to perform a discharge. Connect is to connect the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi or the GPS. Visualization is to display any recorded measurements. Supervisor is different setting and menus available for the supervisor. Interface are different information for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and CTD. So to navigate I use the blue button. To select this choice I press on the green button. And to come back to the previous menu or change figures I press the red button. So to go back with the red, to navigate with the blue, to validate a choice, the green. I can access to different menu. And to go back to metering, to perform a discharge, I validate metering, and automatically the calculator is ready to measure a new measurement.